Okay, guys, we have lots of opportunities in the market. The one stock that I really do like that I've been eyeing for a lot for a trend reversal, just a very conservative game we can get is SAVA. I'm going to keep pounding the table on this. If you go to the Discord here, I will alert my trading against the trend, and I will say I bought SAVA for a 5 to 10% gain potential at 2.68. So we're kind of break even here right now, but here is my analysis, and I am totally fine if this goes against me a little because what I'm going to do is I'm going to accumulate till we hit this EMA 5. So if you go on the daily chart here, you'll understand the last time when I look for trend reversals when I'm trading against the trend, I look for prices to come back up to that EMA 5, 10, and 20, right? But since we haven't touched this EMA 5 in so long, that is my first target. This is the last time we touched it. So you're going to be like, this is a really unique way of how you find bottoms, and I look for the extreme level. So we know it's a downtrend. We're not trying to hold this long. But as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 daily candles of not touching this EMA 5. So I got in, and you can keep rinsing and repeating this as we've been going here. But as you can see, price gets really close. Around here is the where it ended. So you want to buy it right when the bell really ends. Somewhere in there. And so when I look at this, I'm like, okay, so what is this percentage gain? We have at least a 7%, right? Not too bad. Well, I'm gonna put some bigger money in if it goes against me. And the main thing is you want to do is have this EMA 5. You want to make sure you're under this EMA 5 with your average. And that's the thing that I want to reiterate. Just go, we know we're due for an EMA 5 touch. This is a really long one. I knew it's going to be a long one because SAVA had a big gap down. This thing is going to take longer to touch. This isn't your regular thing because most people would be like, well, 7 daily candles is usually long when you learn my strategy. That's if it's just normal price action. SAVA hasn't had a big gap down. You have to understand when you have this massive gap going from $30 to $2, you see how it takes a while for the indicators to come to where that price should be at. This EMA 5 is algo driven. It is waiting for the algos to trigger it, and we're getting really close to where the algos want it. So what I suspect happens is we'll touch this EMA 5 in this green band, which is my Keltner channel. It's customized to be extreme oversold. And the reason why I had that is if we don't touch this green band, then I don't even look to buy it. But since we had a gap down, we're going to be under it. So that's totally fine, right? So like I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So usually where I look to buy is double the time frame. So if 7 daily candles is long, we had a big gap down. So now we got to understand that 14 daily candles is long for not touching the EMA 5. So this is a great buy zone. Anything in this area, what I think happens with SAVA is we kind of just either one, we just kind of consolidate here and it just gets kind of a little boring, or we just had that swift move up here. I don't see this taking much longer. EMA 5 will get hit this week. There's just no way. It's just bound to. And if you want a quick 5 to 10% gain opportunity, bam, take your gains, SAVA's it. Or it could just make a massive move pre-market or announce some news, and it could spike big. But I'm a very conservative, not a greedy player. I know what gains that I'd be looking for. If you're putting some pretty good size in these, that's a pretty good win percent. Gain there. But you can't expect SAVA to go ahead and hit this EMA 10. This is a 55% gain, and hopefully you wouldn't expect to hit the 20. That's a 217% gain. It would take really just a really good news article or catalyst to do that. This EMA 10 is going to keep going down and down and down, and over time we're going to touch this EMA 5, reject here, go down, we hit the 5, reject, and then work our way up to the 10 as this 10 comes down. And that's the purpose of this strategy. A lot of people bought SAVA on this big initial move down. I see it happen all the time. You see SAVA, it's a very trending stock, right? It's got lots of volume, which is why I do like it. It's got lots of volume, so I'm not worried about that. Bulls and bears are fighting. But you see this big move down, don't ever buy the first move down. It will wreck you. A lot of the times is you'll get a dead cat bounce on the first or second day afterwards, and that's simply what this was, right? You come down here, have a little dead cat bounce, try to recover some, and then we just go down and down and down. It's just really not the way to do it. You'll see many stocks just go. We've seen QTTB, right? Anybody that played this, This is what you're going to see a lot with a lot of companies. You have this big drop down. Everyone's buying this first drop. Guess what? It goes down, down, and down. We'll see big cap stocks like APLS. These are all in the biotech medical field. Same sector. This is right here. You have this big gap down. Look what happens. You buy this first candle down and it goes down, down, down. If you would have waited for that strategy, you see where you can get these in reversals here. 14% gain right there. Hits the 5. Expect it to drop down. That's where algos are looking at. We come back down here. We play it again at this range here. And you'll probably accumulate here, buy some more here. Doesn't have to be exact, but this was a total of 25%. And then we go up to the EMA 10 and then to the 20. I promise you, no matter how crappy the stock is, they will hit EMA 5, 10, and 20. And that is the objective with SAVA. They will hit it. It's a guarantee and it's a fact. But it's going to take a lot of time for this to hit the 20. As you can see, it's way up here. You can't expect this, say, oh, I'm just going to hold for the 20. Well, this 20 is not going to be at $8 in a month. It might be way down here at $4. And if you're not taking these quick gains, then you can be left holding the bag. Let the new traders, the ones that look at biggest losers, trade this first drop and let them hold this bag. Let the, since you know the system, how it works, you get in at this area, where I alerted, buy those dips now, because this is an all accumulation phase. Now you're at the point where you can just keep buying the dips and not have to worry, because you know that what nobody else knows is like this is going to touch EMA 5 in a very short amount of time, probably tomorrow or the next 2 days. I don't mind if it goes lower than 260. I really don't care. If you watch my accumulation videos and swing trading education, watch how I properly accumulate these reversals. I'm not trying to say at my price where I bought it at in the swing trade alerts at 2.68 is going to be the exact bottom of this stock. No, I'm not trying to say that. But I do know this thing can get a nice little pump, and I am going to accumulate these dips, as this is where, in my science of stocks that I've seen, this is where you get those big pops. Okay, so hopefully we get some really positive news. If not, it's fine. I'll get a natural reversion to the mean, to the EMA 5 in this green band here will be a 5 to 10% easy gain. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to join the premium Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below. And in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, and you'll get access to swing trades and day trades for $12 a month. And it's very affordable. I've looked into many things. I've seen Discords cost $50, hundreds, thousands of dollars. And this right here is going to give you probably the best information of not only you're going to get signals, but you're going to have the education of know how to trade. Also, we have swing trade alerts. If you just want those are $6 a month. So you just kind of choose which one you want. Do you want the swing trade for 6, or do you want both for 12? Depends on your schedule and everything. I recommend both just to kind of see which ones you would like, your personality and all that. But yeah, this is my analysis on SAVA. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys got some info out of it. I am bullish on it. You could take these quick gains here, but yeah, I mean, 260s to 280s, you can see right in here, that's already up 6% there. Not too bad of gain, right? And that's really how we're going to try to play this. We're going to keep getting those fast gains until we hit this EMA 5. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.